Hey everybody, it's Kurt Slosser from GeekWire. I'm on the Space Needle observation deck where the renovation is reached a new stage, and today we're checking out 10 of these lucite or glass benches that have been revealed. You can see the glass panels that are part of the new look and feel of the Space Needle, and this is all part of the $100 million Century project. Okay, the cool thing about these, and don't worry for my safety, the glass is 2.5 inches thick, and this pitch, the benches are made so that they pitch back and you lean against the glass, and that's to give you the feeling that you're floating 520 feet above the ground. So I'll be your test subject today. Here we go. All right. I have all the confidence in the designers of this concept. The glass, we've got open air. I can see the spire of the needle up above. There is construction still going on, so there's a little bit of noise. There are guys outside on the halo painting the galaxy gold, which is the original color of the needle. So we've got a couple of the first visitors up here to experience the glass benches. What are your names? Where are you from?
Ed and Yvonne. We're from Scotland.
Scotland.
From Scotland. First time in Seattle?
Yes, yeah. Arrived yesterday.
Beautiful.
And the Space Needle was on your list of places to visit?
Yeah, it's the first thing really. So iconic Seattle, so we came up straight away.
Yvonne, you looked a little apprehensive. Are you afraid of heights?
A little bit. I'm a little bit afraid of heights. And then also the elevator off is really cool with the glass. But yeah, I have a slight fear of them. But it's really cool once you're here.
You're still not all the way back.
Yeah, I still haven't quite got the door. Oh my goodness.
Going for it? Go for it, go for it.
Oh my gosh. It is really cool. I'd recommend it.
Julia, how old are you?
7.
7. Would you say that you're afraid of heights?
Yes.
This is pretty high. You're 520 feet off the ground.
I don't like that.
You're doing great, though. Doesn't it feel like we're kind of floating a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
If you lean back, you get the full effect.
I don't like it.
There you go.
I want to sit back up. I don't like
The glass is really strong. See?
We're here for a couple of days and then getting ready to take a cruise to Alaska.
Ah, beautiful. What do you think of this? Have you ever been to Seattle before or up on the Space Needle?
Neither one of us have been to Washington or Oregon, either one, so it's pretty exciting. We just got in last night, and our eyes, we're going to look till our eyes hurt, you know? Yeah.
Well, this, clearly you don't have a real fear of heights. You just went for it and sat right back. What do you think? Does it feel like you're floating 500 feet above the ground?
No, not at all. No, it's a little scary to look out, but no, it doesn't. It's not scary to lean back at all.
You have full confidence in the glass behind you?
I'm hoping the glue is sticking.
Well, let's have a seat. Let's lean back.
Come on, join me.
Tom was mentioning he wishes the benches faced in that direction, but then I guess we'd be sort of leaning over.
Leaning out.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, it's as long as I'm looking that way, I'm okay.
Yeah, I guess, we'll be looking in. There'll be stuff to see in there. What's cool is you can look up and see the very tippy top. 605 feet is the tip of that spire.
Yeah, I had not noticed that. Yeah, we were on the sound yesterday, and they were describing the depth of the sound, that you could put the Space Needle in the sound and just see the top of the needle.
That's pretty deep.
Pretty deep, yeah. Awesome.
This feels, each time I do it, it feels a little more comfortable, but still something a little weird in my belly. How about you?
Yeah, it's not something you would want to do on a regular basis just for fun.
Thanks, Tom. Have a great cruise.
Yeah, thank you very much.